Hello everyone. This week I would like to give you another tip of the week. We're getting close to September, obviously, and all the kids are going back to school. And one of the questions that keeps coming up is like, this is one of our top priority at our office is to see family. And obviously it's also to see kids. And oftentimes people are like, why would you be seeing kids? They don't complain of pain. And I just want to kind of enlighten you a little bit about children and chiropractic and why they could benefit from chiropractic care. According to the best scientists, we know today that just about 80% of the kids today in this country, when they're born, they have their first spinal misalignment. Just think about that, right? 8 out of 10 kids that are born today in this country have their first misalignment. And as a result of that, you see kids that have, frequent ear infection, they have colic, they have a hard time to sleep at night. When they eat, they have regurgitation, and we don't know why. Any of those things. And then they're going to start walking. They're going to be falling on their butt all day long, right? Trying that, they just want to get up and they want to run, they want to walk. And then guess what? They're going to start playing sports. They're going to be falling more. And then they're going to go to school. They're going to sit 5, 6, 7 hours a day. And then as they start playing, travel, whatever travel looks like, whether it's football, whether it's basketball, whatever sports that they're into, right? They're going to have more trauma to their spine. Some of those trauma could be little and might seem to be insignificant, but just think about this for a minute. When you've had thousands of those over time, what do you think is going to happen? So you have children that might have a hard time to sit still at school because, they're having some issue. Did you know that there's a Nobel Prize winner a few years back that said that over 80% of the brain nutrition comes from proper movement in your spine? How important is that? Just think of this for a minute. If your kids can grow up with a straight spine, what's going to happen is whatever sports they play, they're going to be able to heal faster. They're going to be able to be better and perform better. They're going to be able to do better in school. And the reason for that is because we already know that if you have a spine that is moving properly, right, this will improve this area in your brain called your cerebellum. Your cerebellum is in charge of your balance, but not only in charge of your balance, but it's also in charge of your cognition. And what that means is your ability to be able to focus. So how important is that? I almost sure that some of you did not know that. And that's the reason why we believe at our office, Dr. Denise and I, we have 5 children of our own, right? That we believe that those kids, they should be checked on a regular basis, at least, to have your children checked and just to make sure that they're growing up with a healthy spine and their body can function at 100%. So hopefully you learned something from this tip today, and looking forward to see not only you, but your kids as well.